Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. In fact, I have a new one to announce right now. So every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of November, it is going to be the Saffron Suva Beauty Palette. Has not swatched, anything like that. And I'll let you know what you need to do to enter for this later on in this giveaway. I also have many other giveaways going on as well. I'll put all of that in the description box down below. So today we are going to be talking Macy's Beauty Box. So Macy's Beauty Box ships out every month for $15 a month. They're mainly sample sizes, deluxe sizes. Every once in a while they'll throw in a full size. It usually comes with a makeup bag or some sort of accessory with it. There's also either $5 or every once in a while they'll put a $10 off coupon that you can use to purchase beauty products from Macy's either online or in the store itself. So let's dive in and see what we got. All the products come wrapped in tissue paper. There's a card that talks about the products. And it just says that this set has over a $65 value. Ready, jet, go. We've stocked your box with travel-friendly goodies to keep your skin hydrated and your glam on point wherever you're off to for this holiday season. So some great little travel items. It does have a $5 off coupon. Instead of a beauty bag this month, we do have this gorgeous compact. It's kind of like a diamond on this side. I'm trying to show you guys without reflecting on you. It's gold on this side. And then there are two mirrors on this side. One is magnifying and one is not. This is a really heavy duty, nice compact. From Too Faced is the Better Than Sex Mascara. Given the intense drama you're looking for with this collagen-fueled cult fade, the many glam lovers swear by. Full size retails for $25. Pro tip, apply a firm base to tips, wiggling the brush for full defined lashes. Some of you guys swear by this. Some, it's a big miss. For me, it's one of those that it's a big miss. My eyelashes are too long. It's too wet of a formula. And so I wind up with big streaks down here. So I'm going to be passing this one along. From Kiehl's is the Calendula Water Cream. Combat dehydration and give your skin the moisture it deserves with a high concentration of Calendula petals and extract. Retails for $48. How to use. Apply to your AM and PM routines for a dewy glow. I can't wait to put this one and try it out. I have heard such good things about this. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth Instant FIRMx Eye. And it's give those tired eyes a boost. This Luxe treatment instantly tightens and smooths troubled areas around the eye. Full size retails for $38. How to use. Apply to puffy tired eyes for a quick lift. I've heard really good things about that. In fact, I'm gonna find some pictures and insert them here for you. This stuff works, you guys. It's amazing. From Anastasia, Beverly Hills is a liquid lipstick in Crush. Instant pigment, yep, matte finishes, check on all formula that won't dry your lips and has serious staying power. Full size retails for $20. Pro tip, swipe the rosy blush shade on and treat it like a neutral. So here is my tip with the Anastasia ones, lipsticks specifically. So here's what this looks like. I've already got a shade that's really similar to this. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. I'm starting setting stuff aside for when we hit 600 subscribers, so help us get there. So my pro tip on especially the Anastasia lipsticks is these guys can dry your lips out. They stay a long time. They're really good, but they will dry. Like this Hair and Desert, dry your lips out. So put a balm on, put something on before using, especially the Anastasia ones. So this is a new product. It is by my Clarins. It's Recharge Relaxing Sleep Mask. Quench, recharge, and rebalance your skin all in a good night's sleep. This mask will have you looking and feeling refreshed by the morning. Full size retails for $27. How to use: apply before bed and get a true beauty sleep. I do a masking review series on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think. So be on the lookout for this one in an upcoming masking video. Our next two items are the bonus items for here, and they are both perfumes. We'll start off, and they're both by Yves Saint Laurent. This is the Moon Paris Eau de Perfume, red berries, white Dolce flower, and musk. We'll have you totally hooked in adding this scent to your fragrance wardrobe. Full size retails for $124. I like it. It does have that musk smell, and I didn't know if I would because I'm not a big musk person, but it's really light. It's got the florals and the berries in there, which I really like. I think it'd be a good winter perfume like this. And then we also got basically the men's version. It is, you probably can't imagine, blend of citrus, fresh, and spicy notes that addicting, but YSL did. So you can experience it for yourself. Full size retails for $115. So let's go ahead and spray this one in this direction. I like that, you guys. It's got I can smell the citrus, but it's almost got like a leather scent too. I don't know. It's good. Just saying, if my man were to wear this, it's good. So what did you guys think? I'm super excited about that Peter Thomas Roth one for the under eyes. What were you guys' favorites? Let me know in the comments down below. I want to tell you how to enter the giveaway. So I will put a Google form in the description box down below. Just fill the Google form out on December. This goes through December 2nd. On December 3rd, I will go ahead and random number picker pick the winner, and then that way I can easily just mail it off to the winner. Number one rule is you must be a subscriber to this channel and like this video. And I do check to make sure that you are subscribed. This last giveaway, I had to go through multiple people before I finally found a winner that was subscribed to the channel. So go ahead and do that. Be 18 years or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. YouTube is in no way affiliated with this giveaway. For an extra bonus entry, follow me over on Instagram. That handle is beautyamab, and good luck. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.